Today we will discuss chapter number 5 of class 10, periodic classification. And today we are going to discuss the topic Mendeleev classification of element. It was the third attempt of classification after Dobereiner and Newlands. At the time of classification of the Mendeleev, 63 elements were discovered. So he arranged all 63 elements on the basis of increasing order of atomic mass. So the base of the classification is increasing order of atomic mass and chemical properties of elements. Second base of classification, chemical properties of elements. Under this, he has taken the formula of oxides and hydrides. He also gave the Mendeleev periodic law. Mendeleev periodic law states that the properties of elements are periodic functions of their atomic mass So the basis of the classification, first is increasing order of atomic mass and second is chemical properties of elements, in which the formula of oxides and the formula of hydride. We will see the formula of oxide and hydride in group in next video, and the law he has given, that is the periodic, the properties of elements are periodic functions of their atomic mass. On the basis of this law, he has arranged all 63 elements discovered at that time in a table that is known as Mendeleev periodic table. This Mendeleev periodic table has some achievement or merit, and now we are going to discuss these merits. First merit is systematic study of elements. Mendeleev was the first scientist who have arranged all the 63 elements in increasing order of atomic mass, and when he arranged all the elements in increasing order of atomic mass, most of elements are arranged in systematic way. The second merits of achievement of Mendeleev classification is he had left some space or gaps for undiscovered element. Mendeleev predicted that in future there would be many elements discovered, and these newly discovered elements would be placed the space or the gaps left by the Mendeleev when these elements discovered in the future, without disturbing, they place in a proper position. Third demerit is correction of doubtful atomic mass. Correction of doubtful atomic mass. He had corrected the atomic mass of gold and platinum. And fourth that is last demerit is novel gases are placed in zero group without disturbing other element or the existence element. Novel gases are not discovered at that time, they discovered many years because they are inert gases and they are very concentrated in the nature. So when they discover in the future, they place in a separate group that is called zero group without disturbance the existence of elements. So these were some achievement or merits of Mendeleev periodic table or classification. In spite of some merits, there are some limitations of Mendeleev periodic table which are as follows. Number one, anomalous position of hydrogen. It means the position of the hydrogen is not clear in Mendeleev periodic table because it is placed with metal. It has the properties similar to the alkyl metals, which has metals has 1, 2 or 3 valence electron in the outermost shell. Similarly, hydrogen also has 1 valence electron. So it is resemble the properties with metal, but it is a non-metal. So we can say that the position of hydrogen is not clear in Mendeleev periodic table. Secondly, demerits is the position of isotopes is also not clear. Isotopes are the elements which have similar chemical properties. You have learned isotopes in class 9. They have same atomic number but different mass number. So in Mendeleev periodic table, if you place the isotope, they may be placed in the same period or group. If we arrange the isotope in the same group or period, so it will be difficult or the position is not clear. So it is second demerits of Mendeleev periodic table, or it is a challenge for a Mendeleev how the elements are arranged in his table. The third demerits or limitation of Mendeleev periodic table is the atomic mass is not increasing regular for some element. Examples: cobalt and nickel. In his table, as you see, as a base he has taken the increasing order of atomic mass. But in his table, some elements are there which do not follow the regular increasing order of atomic mass. In case of the cobalt and nickel, which are having cobalt has less atomic mass but placed before and nickel placed after. So these are some limitations of Mendeleev classification of elements. That's why this classification given by the Mendeleev was not successful. And finally, Henry Moseley developed a modern classification of the elements in the form of modern periodic table. We will discuss modern periodic table in next video. I hope you have understood this video. Thank you very much for watching this video.